It's time to face the facts that Intel is no longer the Intel that dominated the semiconductor business globally, and Boeing is no longer the Boeing that made the 777 and 747 and dominated passenger aircraft, aerospace, and large amounts of defense contracting, nor have these companies reshaped themselves to a new reality. They are neither here nor there. That means that it's time to take a look at taking these companies apart and selling off the pieces. At Boeing, this could look more like a different aerospace company like Lockheed taking over Boeing's commercial aircraft, and spinning out the defense and space parts of Boeing, perhaps under the name McDonnell Douglas, which would be poetic something. Intel is in a worse position. Intel's chip products face much stiffer competition from more competitors than Boeing. But it's possible that a company like Qualcomm would take on Intel's product division and manage it properly. But Qualcomm almost certainly would not be interested in Intel's foundries, and Intel foundries depend on Intel chips as their anchor customers. It will be extremely difficult to find a foundry operator that can make the economics of Intel foundries work without Intel's chips pioneering the new nodes in those foundries. Maybe Samsung. If that were the outcome, then the two top competitors in the foundry business would both have major operations in the US. Mission pretty much accomplished in terms of supply chain security. Intel's board bailed out on their previous plan 4 years into a 5-year plan. They haven't really earned much say in the future of the parts of Intel. Similarly, Boeing's board is responsible for a series of CEOs that destroyed Boeing's ability to outcompete Airbus with product innovations. They didn't admit that was a problem, and they didn't make the large-scale changes needed to alter Boeing's trajectory. They were happy to sign off on stock buybacks that, had they been foregone, would have completely transformed Boeing's financial situation today for the better. Instead, the new CEO was fitted with a financial straitjacket. Bad corporate governance is bad for the nation. In an upcoming video, I'll delve into how bad governance, bad leadership, and treating strategically important industries like pawns on an M&A chessboard has done us all dirty when it comes to clean, economical nuclear power.